Hey guys, and welcome to today's video. So, get comfortable here. I haven't filmed in quite some time again, and I've been trying to film, and my energy is just not up for it and everything. So I promised myself I'm gonna have a new recording schedule. Excuse me. I'm gonna have a new recording schedule, and used to when I first started YouTube, it was Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays. Well, it seems common that YouTube creators post once a week or maybe 3 times a week. But 3 times a week seems to be very daunting for me, especially for my editing process and everything. I can't get a video out there once in a while, but every 3 days I just can't. Like, with my editing process now, it's different than what it has been before, and it just takes a little bit longer. So I just thought, why not post every Friday? So I'm thinking of posting every Friday, roughly around 4 to 5 p.m. Seems to be best for everybody, so I might be doing that. No promises. This video will be going up tomorrow if I could get it edited and everything, and I just feel good today and I feel like doing a video for you guys. So been hesitating putting this off because I don't want to jinx it, because I don't want to not finish it like I did with my last project, which is a tarot deck, making your own tarot deck. Right now I'm making my own oracle deck. Preferably, I prefer oracle decks over tarot because they're different themes, they're different messages, and they're different usages of oracle than tarot. Tarot is just the guidance and sticking to the same Rider-Waite tarot deck. So I'm doing an oracle deck. So I'm getting messages and everything. I'm not a medium or a psychic or anything, but I'm using my intuition and coming up with these messages. But alongside with, I have this Guardian Angel tarot deck, and I love it. I use it on the daily. It's by Radley Valentine. I love this deck, and I just thought, why not do my own Angel tarot deck or oracle deck? So that's what we're doing today. I've already got a lot of cards done, and the reason I am starting over with my project is because I want to, and I'm more excited about this one, and the messages and everything are tailored to me. I am not selling this deck or anything like that, but I'm hesitant to post this because I know there's a lot of controversy of tarot and oracle, and I don't want to jinx myself and not finishing this deck. But I feel more motivated with this one because of this reason. I am using index cards. I am gluing my pictures on index cards. I'm printing out my pictures, and I'm not worried about the cards being the same size. And I think it's actually the size I want them to be, and this is part 1 of the video. Part 2 would be Saturday, or next Friday, I should say, or Friday after that, because I am getting some blank index cards that are white, and I'll be gluing the index cards on those so it can have a border with that. But that'll be a whole different video. This video is going to be in 3 sections. Number 1, I am showing you the cards I created in this intro, of course, and number 2, I am doing the speed paint. And then section 3, I will be putting the cards together, essentially, with the glue stick. So I will be showing you that. Here are example cards. I drew a bird here. You are moving too fast. Slow down. Take it easy. And then I keep forgetting to eat sometimes. And so for this one, don't forget to eat. When was the last time you had a meal? So I put that little reminder for myself. I usually try to tailor these messages to what I want to hear, and if I reminded myself, like say, have you cleaned your room, or have you done this or that? Just a reminder, kind of like not really a warning, but more of a reminder. So I'll put you on the desktop view and we'll go through these cards I already created. I am using these index cards here. These are different colors that can have borders and different sections of the Oracle deck as well. Like for my yellow Oracle deck, is my guidance. And I haven't decided on the green one yet, but we will. So I am going to go ahead and jump into the video, and I hope you guys don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. I'm sure I'll finish this deck eventually, but for now, I'm just using index cards, and I'm really excited about the project. I'm more excited about this project than the unicorn project I was doing, because I love the colors, I love the vibrancy, and I love everything about this more meaningful. And yeah, so anyways, let's get on with the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. I'll be back to drawing tutorials and everything soon, but for now, we're just going to be sticking with the every Friday video, roughly between 4 to 5, which I decided 4 to 5 p.m. So go ahead, subscribe down below. Don't forget to turn the notification bell on so you won't miss a single video. Okay, hey guys, and welcome to today's video. So for today's video is kind of like tarot meets drawing, or drawing meets tarot, I don't know, or oracle, I don't know what I'm saying, but I'm going to be showing you my index cards, quote unquote, oracle cards that I created. So far, it's a lot more than the unicorn tarot deck I was creating. But this is the first one. I have relax and breathe, relax, take time off, you deserve it. And then this one I have meditate, think about your answers. I'm going through these really fast because there is a lot, and I want to get to putting the card together as a drawing part of the video as well. So this video could be in 3 sections. First one's the intro and showing you these cards. The second one's fee pay, and the third section is the putting the card together. Next Friday, I'll be putting the backings of the cards as well, so stay tuned for that. This one, you can do it. The power of the paw. Yes, you can do it. Yes, you can. This one is full swing. Life is in full swing. Be playful at what you do. And this one is loyalty. We are there for you. We are your friend. Ask for guidance if desired. And then this one is pray for your blessings. They will soon come. And then here's the first card I did of this series. It's the calm before the storm. You can get through it. We are here for you. And then this one is hug someone close or share a moment with them. This is our energetic hug for you. This is self-care angel, like in one of these guidance cards. Go easy on yourself. Do some self-care. Do some care. I meant self-care here. Okay. It's haven't lately, haven't been brushing your teeth. So this one is strength. This is one of my favorite cards I've done. You will have strength for months. Take the first step. Here's another one of my favorites. You are strong and majestic. Use your talents wisely and majestically. Recycle your thoughts. Listen to your heart for guidance. Wise petals. Pick your petals wisely. Make good choices that are in front of you. We will help you. Angelic energy. Angelic energy is surrounding you. Treat yourself something special, or rather a reward for doing something, or just do something for sadness. It's okay to be sad. We're here for you, just to pray your way. And this one is challenge and being your true self. And then also I have art block angel, because sometimes I get an art block and I just want validation of if I am in art block or something. And then it says we will help you get through art block. Take it easy, art should be fun. The hope card, you will have hope for the future. Just have faith in the angels. Be kind to yourself and other people in life. Put others first. And I just put be kind. And then connection. You will provide connection with other people in your life. Seek us for more people to come into your life. And then the last one, a new place. Welcome home. Explore the new place with open arms. It could be physically or emotionally. So these are the cards I created so far. Obviously, there are mistakes in them, but I don't really care. This is just for my benefit. And then also, we're going to be putting a card together. So this one, slow down. You're moving too fast. Slow down. Take it easy. And then this one, don't forget to eat when the last meal, the last time you had a meal. This is just a reminder deck, really, to do things and guidance. So we're going to be doing one card together. I'll be doing this one, and then because I'm be drawing this one in today's video. So let's get on with making the card. Okay, hey guys, and welcome to today's video. So I am really hesitant, but yet excited for today's video and filming for you guys again. And I want to also talk about my new recording schedule and everything and how that's going to play out for you guys. So for today's video, I am doing my slow down card. I'm drawing this bird here, and I really like it. It's not one of my favorite cards, but it is really good. But it's my slow down message because sometimes I'm working really fast, and sometimes we need a mental slow down card or something, or meditation thought. So I just wanted to go ahead and show you this process in Procreate. I have a new process now, and I'm really excited for it. I've been really into digital art this past few weeks, and it's been really fun and refreshing again and everything. So I've been having a lot of fun with that. So we're gonna go on to talking about recording schedule and how that's gonna play out for you guys. I'll be filming prior in the beginning of the week and editing towards the end of the week, and hopefully to get a video out for you guys on Fridays, roughly between 4 to 5 p.m. If I'm busy or I'm on vacation or have doctor's appointments during that time, um, the video might be on Saturday, so I will try to schedule between that, but I just wanted to mention that, and I'm trying a new thing. I want to be scheduling my videos so I know it'll be up and I don't have to like do it on that day. Um, but I wanted to mention that because I've been a lot of filming, my schedule's crazy busy with doctor appointments and all that private stuff. But I just wanted to mention thank you for being patient with me if I haven't gotten back to you yet on Instagram. I took a little break and I needed that break. So thank you for letting me have that. I'll get back to messages when I can, and I don't get messages notifications anymore. Um, just because I don't want to. But don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the last section of the video where we will put together the oracle cards. So I hope you guys liked this lengthy video. Hopefully it mixed up for the time I have not posted. I hope you guys liked the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. Notification bell on, and I'll see you guys in section 3. Okay, hey guys, and welcome back to this video. So I am just I've already put the glue on here, so I will just position it on the card with you. So this is how I'm doing it. Like so, of course it's not even cut wise, But that's okay because these cards are not perfect, in which what first deck is, but just how I'm doing it. Alright, so we have that, and then I am just going to glue. And the trick of using index cards is even cut, and you're just gluing onto the cards and everything. So there's that. So this is real time, so I'm not going to speed through it. I'm just gluing down. And then here is the message. I'm just gluing that down as well. And it's not straight, of course, but that's gonna bug me. Oh well. Oh well. And there is one of my cards. So I'm really excited about this new project. I hope you guys like it. And I was very hesitant into posting this because I felt that if I post it, then I'll get backlash or not feel motivated to finish, but we'll see. So there's cards. Don't forget to like this video, comment down below. I hope you guys liked today's video. Subscribe for more if you're into oracle cards, tarot, drawing, and art, and cartoons, and all that. I hope you guys liked today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. Don't forget to turn the notification bell on so you don't miss a single video. And guys, thank you for watching. I will see you guys next Friday, and I hope you guys enjoy today's video as well, and my new recording schedule. So hopefully that will get me back in the swing of things again. And yeah, so don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. And I'll see you guys next Friday. Bye guys.